Are you feeling like a fraud? Do you have difficulty believing in your own accomplishments? You're not alone. Imposter syndrome is a real, and very common, phenomenon. Hypnosis is an effective tool for dealing with imposter syndrome as well as fear and phobia. By using hypnosis, you can learn to accept and value your accomplishments, as well as gain the self-confidence to move forward. What is imposter syndrome? Imposter syndrome is the feeling that you don't deserve your successes. It can be debilitating, affecting your career and personal life. People with imposter syndrome will often downplay their accomplishments, and be overly critical of their successes. They may also be excessively hard on themselves, and feel like they have to prove themselves over and over again. How does hypnosis help? Hypnosis is a powerful tool for overcoming imposter syndrome. During a hypnosis session, you'll be guided into a relaxed state of mind. Once you are there, positive suggestions can be made to help you break through your feelings of inadequacy. Hypnosis can help you to recognize and accept your negative feeling like I am not good enough or I don't deserve success. Once you accepted your feelings, you can change them for more positive feeling like, I am good enough and I deserve all my successes. My name is Sam Bitar, and I am the hypnotist who can help you. Contact me on cell 613-762-0941, website mynewpotential.com. Thanks for listening.